Welcome to Kalia Future Production YouTube channel. Today, I shall be taking the beginner through the process of weight construction for our shoes. After you have your weight and the Nora ground very well round, then you apply gum round the way I'm doing in this video clip. Then after I apply gum round this Nora like this, then I will apply gum very lightly on the inner sole round like this. Can you see that? Then you wait for 15 to 30 minutes to dry. It depends on the weather condition. After it has dried, then you place your inner marco or inner sole in between the Nora, then you wet it, you construct your wet around the marco. As you can see, I hope you see where the starting point, which is on the heel. You can't start anywhere else. Then you should be careful and ensure the wet is not opened when constructing the wet around the inner sole, also known as inner wrapped marco. You construct it carefully in this process, and at the last point you have to mark where to cut out the essence. After we mark it out, then you cut with scissors or knife or cutter, then you fix it in and use your hand to press it round very well. Then after you press it round, then you remove the inner sole marco and hammer it round very well. You hit it very well, and after you hammer it, then you proceed to grind the room where you grind it and smooth it round. And after that, you paint the edge round the color of your choice. In this video tutorial, you choose black. You can use see the process of applying black dye on it, and after that you waited for 15 to 20 minutes to dry, for the paint to dry. Then you apply polish around the dye or painted edge places. Now our sole is set for use. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.